All right, so you are back with us on Football Fix, and we're joined by former national under-17 coach and founder and the big boss at Genesis Academy, celebrity coach we call him, Andrew Edwards. Coach Edwards, welcome, sir.
Good evening, thank you very much.
Good to have you on set with us. We have a couple of minutes to go, but you're invited here especially to talk about the CONCACAF teams, the groups they are in, and if you think they realistically can come out of those groups. So we're going to do this quick and fast, and you give me your opinion on it. We're going to start with Group A. It has Mexico in it, South Africa, South Korea, Czechia. Can the Mexicans make it out of that group?
I think so. You know, the World Cup has been expanded, so the top 2 plus the best 8, third place will go through. Mexico has been number 2 or 3 in that group.
So they progress from Group A?
I think so. All
right. Over in Group B, Canada, Qatar, Switzerland, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Who comes out of that group?
I think it's a similar situation. Canada has been number 2 or 3 in that group. They have a very mature team. They had a very good World Cup campaign the last time out. They would have grown and learned a lot since then. And I think that having the opportunity to play in front of their home crowds should be an advantage that they could very much capitalize on.
Not if you think he's talking foolish, just let me know.
No, he's doing very well.
He's doing well so far. All right.
Very well.
Group C is a tough one. It has the Brazilians, Morocco, Haiti, and Scotland.
I think it's going to be a big surprise if Haiti actually pull through that one. I have them finishing 3rd or 4th in the group.
3rd or 4th, all right.
But you can say the top 2 and then the best
3rd place. So it depends on how well at 3rd place they come.
Mm-hmm. All right, fine. Regional powerhouse, USA, they're in Group D with Paraguay, Australia, and Turkey.
Yeah, I think they are the CONCACAF team that has the best opportunity of coming out of the groups. I think they will finish 1 or 2 in their group.
Yeah, the only team from the region to ever make it to a World Cup semi-final. That's the USA. Way back 1930. So you were there, Nodley? Nodley was around those times, but
yeah,
you tell us when.
We did tours together.
Yeah. In Group L, Panama, Croatia, Ghana, and England, possibly the group of death.
I would imagine so, and I think Panama will finish number 4 in the group.
So they'll die?
Panama would die in the first round.
Yeah, I think so.
And the team that broke Jamaica's heart, they are in Group E, Curacao. They go up against Germany, Ecuador, and Ivory Coast.
I expect them to have a similar fate to Panama, finishing dead last in the group.
Yeah, me too.
All right. So out of all the teams that we mentioned from the region, who do you think will progress furthest in the tournament?
It's kind of difficult to say, quite frankly, because you're not going to be able to have much clarity until you start to see the teams and its full squad selections, etc. However, pathway is also crucial, you know. So if a team finishes first, the path that they have is totally different than if they finish second. Mm-hmm. So, you know, at this point in time, I think USA, just based on the group that they are in and the potential matchups going forward, expecting them to win the group, or at least be second place, I think they have the best chance of at least going to the round of 16.
I'm going to probably rub some people the wrong way, but if Jamaica were to have progressed and landed in that Group E with Germany, Ecuador, and Ivory Coast, any hopes for the Reggae Boys in that group?
I wouldn't imagine so.
I think we'd have had a similar fate.
All right, fine. Well, we have a schedule of games.
But then again, Garfield, let me revise that a little bit.
Yes.
Had we qualified and selected a decent squad with a good coach, then chances are we could have made some noise.
Noise don't mean you're going forward.
I know. But I mean, by noise, I mean, we would have put up a good fight.
We're going to have good performances. Mm-hmm. But in terms of coming out of that group, I don't see us having the quality, regardless of the best players that we have. That's just my opinion. I don't think we would finish second or third in a group.
All right, let's tell the viewers. Let's tell the viewers. Hold on, you Frenchman, you warring Frenchman. Just wait. Let's tell the viewers what we have lined up in terms of our schedule for the first 5 days. And remember, these are live games, and we also show some other games delayed. Opening day, June 11 at 2 p.m. we have Mexico versus South Africa, and at 9 p.m. we have South Korea versus Czechia. Second day, June 12 at 2 p.m. Canada versus Bosnia and Herzegovina. Third day, June 13, we have 3 games, 2, 5, and 8 p.m. Qatar versus Switzerland. Brazil, big bad Brazil versus Morocco, the game of the group, I suspect. And at 8 p.m., Haiti versus Scotland. That's on June 13. Come June 14, Germany, they take on Curacao. And the Netherlands, that's 11 a.m. And at 3 p.m., the Netherlands will take on Japan. And on the 15th, Belgium will take on Egypt at 2 p.m. And at 8 p.m., Iran will take on New Zealand. So that's the first week. Live games. We'll also show some other games delayed. So that's what we have lined up to show our viewers. We're running out of time, gentlemen. We have to do this again. But time really flies when you're talking about the greatest show on earth. We'll be back next week, same time, same place, with more World Cup talk. Thanks again to Maestro Sports for the jerseys, even the extra large one for Andrew. Shop C in Sovereign Village for Portmore for your jerseys. On behalf of Nodley and Garfield, the entire production team, remember, TVJ is the only station to watch World Cup 2026. We see you again next week. Take care.
Argentina to the world, man. And we are winning the World Cup, you know. Yeah, man. And we are support my team about 30 years, you know. Or more, you know. You understand me? Argentina can't lose, you know. Straight to final. We not lose no match. Anything come, the other they come, and the other they fall. One and all.
So you know, say my side of Germany, always. We lose our draw Germany, me say. We live in our house full of be a Brazilian fan. If Brazil drop out the first round, I'm the happiest man alive. Me no love Brazil.
One Argentina, you know, one Messi, we say, you know, you see it. For we are 80 rock, we Argentina, you know.
One Brazil, we say, up to date, you see me? We are look out for the World Cup, you hear that?
Brazil all the way, man. Win or lose, man. Brazil. Brazil, Brazil, Brazil.
One Brazil to the world. Win, lose, or draw. Neymar to the world.
Big bad Argentina, Messi to the world.
If not Germany, I want Portugal to win. Reason being, the greatest to ever play football, Cristiano Ronaldo.
You have too much Ronald. Buff teeth, one buff teeth. One buff teeth. One buff teeth. One when him. There's no other.
Don't know my side of me I bring. I don't want a Great Britain. Straight Great Britain, straight England.
Messi are the real goat. Messi have to win a second World Cup this season.
Have to bring Argentina.
Brazil, win, lose or draw.
It's a Brazil man from way back when. From now I go for the board them for build the ark. Him not build the ark yet. So that a long time ago, he's an original Brazil man.
France are going World Cup. You see me?
Which one are your team?
Nah, I can't no team, man.
Argentina straight, I'm not change. Argentina. Argentina, one side.
Argentina, man, I boss that man.
I want France to win because they're multicultural, meaning there's a lot of black people on the side.
Two Jamaican are in there. Bring in France. All the way. France all the way.
You know, it's a France me I bring though. France are my original team from a long time still. You hear that?
Nigeria, that's my team. Yeah, over the world. Nigeria, African descent.
Germany. One Argentina, man, I never two.
Argentina, never two.
France.
Argentina, man, one side.